All right. Good morning. My name is Stephan Nilsson. I'm based in Norway, Oslo. I'm representing my startup company, UNISOT. We stand for Universal Source of Truth. So our vision is to be the next dimension of Uber and Airbnb for global supply chains. So we are building a decentralized network platform for leveraging global supply chain assets. We're delivering truth, transparency, and trust. The challenges that we have today in global supply chain, and the reason for the global economy is stagnating for the last 7 to 10 years, is because we have very inefficient supply chain systems today. The biggest problem we have there is that all data are stored in data silos in each company, and even in different systems, in different data systems inside a company. The total efficiency of a supply chain today, a supply chain, let's say from seed to plate, or from egg to plate, has an efficiency of less than 20%. And that is in Japan. They are the best. The second best are Germany on 18.5%. The rest of the world are less efficient than that. So more than 80% is waste in today's supply chains. And that's a huge problem. And not only that, because also assets, all your machines, your tools, your people, your buildings, 25% of them, 1/4, are not used at any given time. Just standing still, wasting money. And you have a lot of tied up capital in this old way of doing supply chains. You have over $2.5 trillion tied up at any given time. So the solution for that we are building on now is a decentralized SaaS platform that is providing a 360, not only visibility, but also connectivity, thanks to the public blockchain technology. So we are connecting every single actor in the supply chain, from the producer, from the rare material producer, to the retailer, or to the distribution, to the transport, to the retailer, and all the way out to the end consumer. And we are actually supporting all of the 17 goals, the UN sustainability goals here. And the way we do this is by using the public blockchain. The public blockchain is the most secure blockchain available and the most scalable blockchain available. So today we already do like 15,000 transactions per second, and the cost for transaction fees are very, very low. It's in like a thousandth of a cent. So very cost efficient, very scalable. And that is key to building global supply chain solutions. So what we do here is a technology, what we call a smart digital twin. Another word for that is token or smart contract or NFC. So we are actually tokenizing every single asset in a blockchain, in a supply chain. Everything from a seed gets into a smart digital twin or a token. You can then add information about that seed into that smart digital twin, so like locations, how much energy, how much water it has taken, and so on. And then we do that for every single step in the supply chain. Every single actor are owning their own information and putting it into their token. And this token and the smart digital twin is then changing owner when the real asset is changing owner. So we do that through the whole supply chain, all the way out to recycling as well. And this gives us something that we call a digital thread. So now we can share information, not like today. Most companies today have only one tier up, one tier down. You have information from your supplier, and you give information to your first customer, but you don't have any view outside of that. This is what we're providing with this blockchain technology. It also gives you instant feedback upstreams, so from the end consumers, like if you exit an Uber or Airbnb, you can rate it 1 to 5. We can now do the same thing here with any kind of product. So when you have eaten your meat or fish, you can now rate it 1 to 5, and that can go directly back to the producers so that they can be more efficient in their production. The markets we are looking at here is, first of all, the food and beverage industry. So we made a proof of, or a pilot last year in the Norwegian seafood industry, of course. The food and beverage is an industry of $7.5 billion just there. But if we also look into the supply chain management software market, that's a $17 billion market. But we are not stopping there. We are looking for the whole supply chain industry globally, which is 2/3 of the global GDP. Okay, I'm out of time talking about our competitors, and we are unique by using the public blockchains. Okay, we have a booth out here, so you're very welcome to contact me later. Thank you very much and have a nice day.